Imagine standing in the heart of the Sahara Desert, a place so vast it could swallow the United States whole. So dry, the very idea of water feels impossible. But buried beneath this sea of sand lies the bones of ancient whales and the remains of an ocean that once ruled this land. The Sahara, Earth's largest hot desert, so dry and lifeless, it's as if the color green was erased from its very memory. When geologist Jen Smith first stepped foot here, the silence was deafening. No plants, no animals, just endless browns and grays. Our first clue lies not in the dunes, but in stone, ancient stone. At the edge of the desert in Egypt stand the Great Pyramids, built over 4,000 years ago. But within their limestone blocks, something strange: marine fossils, tiny discs called nummulites. These were once single-celled creatures that lived in shallow seas. 40 million years ago. Now they're entombed in mankind's greatest monuments. If fossils from the ocean built the pyramids, what does that say about this land's past? To uncover more, Smith journeys deeper inland, into the remote desert valley known as Wadi al-Hitan, the Valley of the Whales. Here, bones of giants lie scattered in the sand. Not dinosaurs, but whales. The desert floor is filled with them. Over 400 fossils, almost all marine animals. Proof that the Sahara was once underwater. Among the remains, one detail stood out. Many of these fossils were baby whales. And fossilized mangrove roots, still preserved in stone, paint an even clearer picture. This ancient sea once stretched across Africa, into Europe, and all the way to Asia. It was called the Tethys Sea. The culprit wasn't climate, it was geology. 40 million years ago, the African tectonic plate began drifting north and collided with Europe. This tectonic clash sealed the Tethys Sea. Slowly, the ocean receded, and the land began to rise. What we now call a lifeless desert was once a marine sanctuary, where mangroves grew and whales were born. This is the Sahara's true story, written not in sand, but in stone, bones, and the earth itself. From ocean to dust, from whales to fossils, Sahara reminds us Earth is always changing, and its greatest secrets lie just beneath our feet. If stories like this fascinate you, like, share, and subscribe, because beneath every desert there may lie a forgotten sea.